The passive income scam. The internet is awash with promises of just that effortless wealth through mysterious passive income streams. But this pretty face often hides a hard truth: the passive income scam. So, in this video, we won't just pop your financial bubbles but give you the information you need to understand passive income. We'll peel back the layers of unrealistic promises and explore the darker side of this seductive concept. So watch the video till the end, and don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Everywhere you look online, there's always another video popping up about how you can make loads of money without lifting a finger just by watching a few videos or clicking some links. It's become trendy these days, with many people jumping on the bandwagon, claiming they've cracked the code to easy cash. But before you get too excited, it's important to know that not all these videos are what they seem. In fact, many of them are downright scams, designed to trick you into handing over your hard-earned cash for nothing in return. One big red flag to watch out for is when these videos promise you the moon and stars without breaking a sweat. They'll tell you that you can rake in thousands of dollars every month without doing much of anything, but the truth is, it's rarely that simple. Building a reliable stream of passive income takes time and effort, and there are no guarantees you'll ever see those big paydays they're promising. Plus, the amount you can make will depend on many factors, like what kind of videos you're watching, how much time you're putting in, and how much risk you're willing to take. Then there are the videos that promise you'll get rich quickly if you follow their secret formula or buy expensive training courses. They'll promise you the world, but when it comes down to it, all they want is your money. They will reel you in with flashy promises and fancy sales pitches, but once they've got your cash, you'll be left high and dry with nothing to show for it. It's a classic bait and switch, and unfortunately, it's all too familiar in the world of passive income videos. And let's not forget about the ones that use fear tactics to get you to act fast. They'll try to scare you into thinking you're missing out on a golden opportunity, or that if you don't act now, you'll be doomed to a life of poverty forever. It's all designed to create a sense of urgency and push you into making a snap decision without thinking about whether it's worth it. But don't fall for it. Take your time, research, and don't let yourself be pressured into anything you're uncomfortable with. But here's the thing, not all those videos promising passive income are on the rise. Some are just scams designed to take your money and run. So, how do you separate the real deal from the fakes? Let's break it down. First, if a video makes wild claims about how you can make a ton of money with hardly any effort, you should probably be suspicious. Sure, passive income is possible, but it's not exactly a get-rich-quick scheme. It takes time and effort to set up, and even then, there are no guarantees. So, if a video promises instant riches with no work involved, it's probably too good to be true. Next, watch out for videos that use high-pressure sales tactics. You know, the ones they always tell you to act fast or risk missing out on a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity. They'll try to make you feel like you have to sign up right this second, or you'll regret it forever. But here's the thing, legitimate opportunities don't need to resort to these scare tactics. If a video pressures you to sign up immediately, it's because they're trying to pull a fast one on you. Another red flag to watch out for is if the video is short on details. If they're not giving you much information about who they are or what they're offering, it's because they don't want you to know. Legitimate opportunities are transparent about who they are and what they're selling. So if a video is vague or evasive, it's maybe because they're trying to hide something. Similarly, if the terms and conditions of the opportunity are unclear or overly complicated, you should proceed with caution. Legitimate opportunities are straightforward and easy to understand, so if you struggle to make sense of the fine print, it's a scam because the video is trying to pull a fast one on you. Keep an eye out for affiliate and referral links too. Suppose the video's author is pushing you to sign up for products or services using their affiliate links. In that case, it's a pretty good sign that they're more interested in making money off of you than actually helping you make passive income. And if they're asking you to join a program using their referral link, consider something fishy because they stand to gain something from it. Legitimate opportunities don't rely on these kinds of tactics to make money, so if you see them, it's for sure that the video is a scam. Finally, be wary of any video that sells you a course or offers to set up the scheme for you for a fee. Legitimate opportunities don't require you to pay for access to information, so if the author is trying to sell you their course or services, they don't actually have a legitimate opportunity to offer. Now, how to avoid being caught in passive income scams. Let's share some tips to help you evaluate passive income schemes like a pro. First things first, research the company or individual behind the opportunity. Check out their track record, read reviews, and look for testimonials from other people who have tried their methods. It can give you a good idea of their reputation and whether or not they're legit. If you can't find any information about them or their reputation seems sketchy, the best option is to steer clear. Consider the level of risk involved. Passive income opportunities often come with some level of risk, whether it's financial or otherwise. Before diving in, take some time to evaluate the potential risks and rewards of the opportunity carefully. Ask yourself how much risk you're willing to take on and whether the potential rewards outweigh the potential risks. If you're considering investing a significant amount of money or the opportunity seems particularly complex, seeking professional advice is a good idea. A financial advisor can help you evaluate the opportunity and determine whether it fits your financial goals and risk tolerance. They can also help you navigate potential pitfalls and ensure you're making an informed decision. Evaluating passive income schemes is all about doing your due diligence and trusting your gut. But with some research and careful consideration, you can find legitimate opportunities to make money passively and build a brighter financial future. Now, let's discuss some genuine passive income ideas to create a side hustle or passive income that's slow but produces results. At number 1, we have blogging. Blogs are like online journals where people share their thoughts, experiences, and expertise. They can make money passively through different avenues such as advertising, sponsored content, and affiliate marketing. Bloggers can earn income through platforms like Google AdSense, sponsored posts, and affiliate links by consistently creating valuable content and growing a loyal audience. As their audience grows, so does their potential for passive income. E-commerce sites are also a passive income source. They are online stores where businesses sell products or services to customers. These sites can generate passive income by setting up an online store and effectively marketing their products. Once the site is up and running, businesses can earn money passively as customers browse and purchase. By optimizing their online presence and offering quality products, e-commerce sites can steadily generate income even while the owners sleep. Another way to make passive income is by creating a niche-based website. Niche websites focus on a specific topic or market, catering to a particular audience interested in that niche. These websites can generate passive income through advertising, sponsored content, and affiliate marketing. By consistently producing valuable content tailored to their niche audience, niche websites can attract traffic and earn income through various monetization strategies. Whether it's a hobby, interest, or specialized knowledge, niche websites can turn passion into profit through passive income stream. So, remember to keep your guard up the next time you encounter a video promising passive income. By watching out for red flags and doing your due diligence, you can avoid falling victim to scams and find real opportunities to make money passively. It might take a little extra effort, but trust me, it's worth it in the end. Have you ever been caught in a passive income scam? Do share your experience with us in the comments section below, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video.